welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are you all doing? Hope everyone's right and that you have had a good Mother's Day, whether that is with your own mum, your partner's mum, maybe sadly you don't have your mum, but I hope that Sunday was okay for you anyway. It's my Sunday. I've just got in from seeing my mum. Bit of a rush. Last night I was seeing James Morrison. Amazing. You might not all be fans, but you should be. His new album is fab. Anyway, so little bit of a rush from last night to this night because we lost an hour's sleep last night. What was that about? So unfair. And yeah, I've just got in from my mum's, so no time to tart myself up today. It is just one of those days. But I thought I really need to show you what is in this month's Pip Box because it's the last day of March. It's a bit unfair if I drag it into what is next month? April. I should know. So here we are, this month's Pip Box. Pip Box is a completely cruelty-free and vegan beauty box full of lots of good things. It's £18 including delivery and it's usually quite good. So if you want to find out what is in this month's Pip Box, you know what you need to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, of course you can share the video and ring the notification bell because I upload rather randomly. Alright, let's get into the video. This is what's in our Pip Box this month. Looks pretty good actually. Lots of big sizes of things, I think. Right, there's a few sheets of paper in here. Oh, and 50p always gets donated to the Animal Free Research UK charity. There you go. Welcome to the Daydreamer Edit, with a focus on beauty items that help you relax and rest in the evenings, plus makeup treats perfect for your morning routine. Okay, sounds good. Next month's theme is Blooming Beautiful, with a focus on floral scents, floral packaging and botanical ingredients. This edit is all about flower power and that is worth over £50. There you go. Let's get into these products. First up we have this, and this looks full size. Vintage Cosmetics company. I've had quite a few things from them over various boxes, but I've never had one of these. Makeup applicator, eat, sleep, blend, repeat. A little makeup goes a long way with this non-porous, innovative makeup applicator. Its unique design means it doesn't absorb makeup, it's resistant to germs and bacteria, which can often lead to nasty breakouts, and is easy to wash. It's super smooth surface, applies and blends makeup flawlessly. No straight marks, just perfect coverage. Made from silicone and polyurethane. Can't say it. This is a must-have beauty tool. It looks quite small as well actually compared to some of them I've seen. Now I did know that this was in here because I lifted the lid. I've opened this box just to have a look, and I was going to do a demo of me putting makeup on with this because I've never actually tried using one of these to put my makeup on. I've received a few but I've not actually got around to using one, but I just ran out of time. That was my plan for today. I love the way they feel though. They're so squidgy and fun to play with, but I get the idea. I mean, I guess you can rub, you can, it's kind of the same as blending. Yeah, so I'm definitely going to give this a try very soon and you can see whether it's any good, whether it's worth it. Oh, and they've got 25% off on your online order with the code PIPBOX25, and it is full size, so that is good. One down, 4 to go. Right, what is this? Looks nice, from Avancé. Oh, you know Avancé? No, it's not. It's from Figs and Rouge. I can't even read properly. From Figs and Rouge. Not had this product before, which is great. This is their Avancé Plus Flawless Effects Skincare. Clarifying and Refining Serum. Invisible Pores Night Detox Micro Refining Serum. Pore Minimizer Complexion Control for normal to combination sensitive skin. Overnight Clarifying Concentrate Serum. Complexion is refined, revitalised and resurfaced for a fresh, soft and luminous glow. That sounds wonderful. Well, I like the packaging, I like the size, I like the idea of the product. Yeah, thanks, because I would not be dropping 30 quid on this. Oh, I was just like unscrewing that, but it's actually a pump head. Obviously I'm confused. Ooh, so it's just like a clear gel. Okay, technically I haven't just cleansed my face, but you know, I'm sure it can't hurt to give me a little extra dose. So thank you. That is a cool thing to have. Well, I suppose, is it cool? Is cool the word? That is a nice thing to have. Next thing is this from Tisserand. I've seen a lot from Tisserand lately, like quite a few things in the Pip Box. This is a Sleep Better Pillow Mist. So it looks nice. This also looks full size, or at least a decent size. says, rest your head on a pillow of tranquility and wake up refreshed with this blissful blend of jasmine, sandalwood and lavender. 100% natural, pure essential oils. Well, it smells maybe a little different to the ones that are just sort of mostly lavender, but we'll spritz it and see. The reason that I am not super excited is I've had quite a few of these over boxes, not like from the Pip Box, but I've had a sleep roller from Tisserand. I've had, oh, the lavender's nice in that though. You know, I've had some of the This Works things and that, and I just don't get around to spraying them and using them. So this does smell really good. I can't really smell the jasmine and sandalwood, although could I tell you what they smell like? I don't know. The lavender is pretty nice. Just reminds me of actually walking past a lavender bush. Do you know what I mean? I think for the box, relaxing and resting in the evenings, it does make sense that it's in there. I don't see how that Pebble thing helps you to relax and rest in the evenings though. I mean, that's for putting on your makeup in the day, surely. Then we've got from Lunar and Luxe some bath salts. It looks like they've got some petals of some kind in there. This says, the big sleep. Throw a handful or two of salt into a hot bath, turn the lights down, light your favourite Lunar and Luxe candle and relax. Dried rose petals, Epsom salts, which is good. Epsom salts are good for your muscles and helping to recover any tired body. So good if you've been doing a workout, good if you just got pain, whatever. Natural Healing Himalayan Salt. We've got 15% off on your first online order with code Pip Box. I'm not sure if this is a full size or not, but maybe it is. It's a reasonable size anyway, good enough to get a try. So there we go. That makes sense for this box. That is relaxing and helping you. The last item is this from Phase Zero. Nice, shiny, reflective packaging. And it's a lip gloss. Don't know how that helps you relax in the evening, but okay. In baby pink. Now this is not going to be my thing. I have bought some stuff from Phase Zero, but I would not have bought this because I am not that into lip glosses, especially ones in baby pink. So I don't even know if I'm going to swatch this because that just is not my colour. I don't get how that's resting, relaxing in the evening though. Anyone else a bit confused? So that is what it looks like. They do smell nice. This one reminds me of popcorn. Reminds me of cinema popcorn. Do you know what? I will swatch it. So you just get a very light sheen. So it wouldn't be too bad just to, you know, you could put it over other things, or if you just wanted a little shine on your lips, then that would be alright. So developed for long lasting high shine finish and high pigment. High pigment? Like on whose planet? Baby pink gets you ready to embrace your inner baby spice. This light pink gives you a super feminine, cushioning looking pout. And this is also full size. So we've got 5 full size items, I believe. That's pretty good. I'm liking that. I do like that. Mostly excited about my Figs and Rouge product though. Definitely, I have to say. Overall, I think it's a nice collection. It's bringing in some new things for the Pip Box, like brands I haven't seen before and also things I haven't had before. So that means this box is worth a grand total of £56.95, which is rocking it. Well done, Pip Box. You've done a great job on your value there. Well done. And yeah, I think that the products are all pretty good. It just depends if, like me, you've had some versions of them before or whether you are new to it, in which case you'll love them all. That's all I've got to say. I'm still going to get it next month. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sorry it's a bit late. Until you see me next time, I hope that you take care of yourselves and find something positive within every day. And I hope you get to make up for the hour's sleep that got stolen from us last night. Bye guys.